Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use TradingView like a professional, even if you don't have a big screen. When I started trading crypto in 2020, I always think that traders that have big screens are the ones that are going to enjoy TradingView. No, if you know how to work through it step by step, you are going to love using TradingView. Now let's get started. What is TradingView? TradingView is the best analytical website for traders, be it crypto, forex, stocks, or even options. And with TradingView, you're able to draw your technical analysis lines and everything you need to know about the market. Now there's one thing that most traders don't know about TradingView. You can also do fundamental analysis on TradingView if you know how to use it like a pro. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use TradingView step by step, even if you don't have a big screen. So a way you can actually learn more and reward us for doing this is by subscribing to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be creating more amazing contents like this. So let's get started. Now this is tradingview.com. So this is what you see when you go to tradingview.com. You can see the link in my bio or in the description. Now when you see this, the second thing you want to do is now you want to make sure you have a pair you want to analyze in your mind. So for this case, you go to this search. Let's say you want to analyze any crypto pair or even forex. So if you're analyzing forex, click on forex, euro USD, JPB USD. If you're analyzing crypto, you click on crypto. If you're analyzing stocks, you click on stocks, right? Now for this case, we'll be using crypto as an example. Now you can use any pair for this. The concept is the same. So after clicking on crypto, now let's say we want to analyze LTC USD. So you click on LTC USD. You want to make sure that you have your LTC USD, you have any crypto pair or any pairs, be it forex, in mind. So you click on this. Now when you click on this, now this is what it will show up in your screen, on your screen rather, sorry. Now on your screen you'll see how this looks like. Now this is how it will be. Now the second thing you want to, now you can see how the market is. Now you can see how it is. The market is very close to us. Now if you want to give yourself an edge on this market, you go to this top corner of your screen, you click on it. You reduce the zoom from 100% to 50%. This is from 100% to 50%, right? Now if you are putting it as 50%, you want to make sure that you have your screen like this. Now 50%, you're able to see the market from afar, giving us an edge over the market, giving us an edge. Now you can see that I'm able to see where the market was coming from a downtrend down to new range. Now it's looking like it's going to an uptrend. So now it's back to downtrend. Now all these things are things you want to do. You reduce your zoom size of your screen to 50%. After that, second thing you want to now do is to add time frames. Now time frames are where you be doing your analysis and where you be confirming your entries. So you click on this arrow where you can see this 4 hours. Now you can see all the time frame here, depending on the time frame you analyze with. If you're a day trader, you want to analyze 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 day, 1 hour, or even 4 hours. So me, I'm a swing trader. I trade on higher time, so I analyze 4 hours. So on this region, you click on the add to favorites. When you add them to favorites, people see them on your screen. So in this case, I'm adding 1 day to my favorites, I'm adding 1 week to my favorites, I'm adding 1 month to my favorites, and I'm adding 1 month to my favorite. Now you can see all these time frames that are added. You can see that they are now on my screen. You can see them on the top of my screen. Once you've done that, you are good to go. So you don't necessarily have to analyze, you don't necessarily have to add the ones I add. You can add any one of your choice. So after that, the other thing you want to do is you want to add tools that you'll be using for analysis. Tools you'll be using. Now if you want to draw your lines, your support and resistance line, you click on this trend line, right? This is the trend line. You can see how this one likes. Now if you are clicking on this trend line, if you want to get back to this trend line very well, if you want to be using it again, you go back to this trend line, you click on add to favorites. When you add them to favorites, you'll be able to see all these tools in the front of your screen. When you add to the favorites, you'll be able to pick them easily. So I'll be adding any tools that I know that will be useful for you, or even as a beginner and for me. So trend line is useful. You click on add to favorites. Horizontal line is very useful. You click on all these tools are useful, but based on your knowledge and your beginners, you know the ones to use as time goes on. So you add this horizontal line to it. Then once you've done that, you want to go to these other second sections. Fibonacci retracement, click on add. Now you can see that as I'm adding them where my cursor is, you can see that they are getting added on my screen. So Fibonacci retracement, you add to your screen. Now you go to this third one, patterns. Now for these patterns, you want to make sure that you click on uh Elliott wave ABCD is very is actually useful to you. Click on, you add this to the favorite. Then after that you go to the next one, which is this. Now long position, short positions. If you're entering a long or a short, you need this for even features or any pairs you want to be trading. So long position, you add this. You add for the short position, you add the price range. You can see that I've added the price range. Now after the price range, now you go to the next one again, you click on this. Then you want to add the brush. The brush will be useful for you. You want to add this rectangle to be able to draw your support and resistance lines. You want to add this part. I'm going to show you what all of them works for. Right now, after using that one, after adding all these ones I asked you guys to add, now you want to go to this test. You want to add this test as your, you want to add this with it too. Please make sure you add this test. Then go to your love. Now you want to add this dollar sign. You want to add every of this pair that I'm asking you guys to add. It will eventually help you a lot. Now once you've added all this, now let's test this thing out one by one. Let's test it out one by one. Now for this one, this is the trend line. If you click on it, you can see the trend line. If I click on this, yes, I'll be able to add these trend lines, right? You can see this one, right? So for these trend lines, make sure you watch this video to you, because I'm going to provide more insight on all these tools, right? So for this, if you want to increase the thickness of this line, you click on this two piece. You can see that thickness is increasing, it is reducing. Now for this line, you can use it to draw your support and resistance line. So let's put this one here. So this is the dotted line. So if you want to change this to any sort of one you want to click on style, then click on line. So this line can act as your areas of value, as support and resistance. What this video to get what the video that I've added here to add your areas of value, to watch on how to draw your support and resistance like a professional. So after you've done this, then the other thing you want to do is your Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement will let you know when to enter and when not to enter if you are using this. So Fibonacci retracement, you have to plot it from the beginning of the move to the end. For this one now, this is the beginning of the move. This was the beginning, and this is where this move is currently on. So most traders, most professional, they're looking forward to either buy at this region. They're looking forward to either trade at this region, which is 50, and they're looking forward to trade at this region, which is also 61.5. Right now, that's the second one. Now, the third thing I want to now use is the Elliott waves. Now you can see this Elliott wave. Elliott wave will let you know how the market is moving, right? So for this one, let me click on Elliott wave. Let's say I want to click this Elliott wave. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see that how the movement is. So if you want to do this, you can do this for any movement you see the market is moving. You can also use this for a trend, which is very, very important. Now for the long and short, so let's say you analyze the market to be going up. You want to click on this long. This long is you believe that the market, so let's say you enter the market at this region as this long. So this long means you believe the market is going up. I'm going to create a full video to explain this in the risk management video, so don't bother about this for now. Now for this one, for the short, if you predicted the market is going down. Now for the rectangle, if you want to draw a rectangle on this, so you click on this rectangle, you click on this. You can see this rectangle line. So this rectangle line, you can draw it to plot your areas of value, such as your support and your resistance. So all these tools, you want to make sure that they are in front of your screen, so you'll be able to pick them easily as you want. And if you want to delete any tools, so you click on the tool, you right click on the tool, then you click on delete, remove, or you can press delete on your screen, you click on delete. So that is it. Now other things you want to do is how to draw areas of value on your screen. That's as a support and resistance. So let's say you want to let's say for instance now, let's say you can see that the market is clearly on the support at this region. So let's click on this. You can see how this works. So I've clicked on this. So support. So this is how you can draw your area of value. Just click on the horizontal line and place it wherever you want to place it. I also want to, you can also draw your support and resistance as a rectangle. So you click on the rectangle, you draw it like this, and then boom, here you go. And also there's another rectangle here, there's another areas of value here. You can also draw it like this. Good. So once you've done that, now next thing you want to start doing now is to add alerts. What are alerts? Alerts is what you do for you to know when the market gets to a certain region, which will eventually help you. So when you add an alert, you'll be able to, instead of you watching the market 24/7 to get to the area where you want to buy or sell, you can add an alert, and when the price get there, Tradingview will email you in your alert that this price action has getting to this point. Now let's get there. So let's use 1 minute for sake of this video. So I'm clicking on the 1 minute chart. So clicking on the 1 minute chart, let's say I want to add alert here. So I'll click on this. So when I click on add alert here, let me click on add alert here. Okay, so let me put it here. So by putting it here, I will be very sure that if the market gets here, you'll be able to get emailed or notified on your screen. So let me put it here. Let me put 1 year, and let me put 1 year. Let me put 1 year, and let me put 1 year. So you can also edit the name of your alert. So for this one, you just click on edit, then click on, you can name it anyone you want to name. So you just click on buy LTC or take profit, any name you feel like adding, take profit. So you click on save. Whenever the market get there, you are going to see the alert on your phone or on your email. So the market is currently getting there gradually. Now let's wait and see. I think the market is already there. So let's check our email for the. So let's check our email. So checking our email, let me check my email here. Right, so checking my email, the alert will be sent to my email that the price has gotten to this so point. So you don't have to chase the market. You don't have to always be on your chart for you to know how all these things work, right? So in this case, let me move this one so to be able to get there on time. So anyway, the market moves now. So I think the market is now, you can see that the alert has now disappeared because the market has gotten there. Now let me check my space. Now you can see that this is the alert here. LTC has been triggered. You can see the time I'm making this video 1 minute ago. This was sent 1 minute. You can see that. So this is how to add alerts. So by adding alerts, you'll be able to get what you do, right? So another thing you now want to do next is, let me go back to my 4 hours. Another thing you want to do next is you want to increase the width of your screen. Now you go to this price. You can see that this is the price, this is the time. So for the price, you can just go to the screen and scroll up or scroll down. So by scrolling up, you'll be able to see the candlestick very well. So this is how you can increase the width, you can decrease the width, you can even make it as small as possible for you to be able to see how. So increasing the, you can say I've decreased it, I've increased it. And apart from increasing and decreasing, you can also drag the market to any region you want it to be. You can drag it closer to, you can drag it to the left, to the right. And if you want to get back to the normal way, you'll be able to drag it again. Now you can see on the screen now. You can see this reset chart view. So when you click on this, you can see that this has now been reset. I was not able to move it like I've just done. So that is how to, now fundamental news. Now on your chart, you can see this. You can see this arrow, right? You can see this lightning symbol. When you click on it, these are fundamental news about this market. You can see Litecoin wheels may trigger interesting price dynamics. So when you click on it, you'll be able to read what they are telling you to do. Now they are going to tell you what, these are professionals writing technicals analysis. So they are going to tell you that they expect the market to get to this certain price in the future, or this certain price either in the upside or in the downside. So you want to make sure you have this, so you can see that, read it. They expect, you can see that at this point show the downtrend as the price slipped from $70.29. So they will tell you that they expect the market to get so point, or they expect it to drop by so percentage. Make sure you read it. It will definitely help you, right? It definitely help you. Now another thing you want to do is you want to change your candlestick color. Now changing your candlestick color will eventually help you in psychology, because whenever we see red on our chart or anywhere red, we're always very frightened. So if you are looking at all these pro traders, majority of them use other colors. So if you want to change your color of your candlestick, so you left click on your screen. By left clicking on your screen, click on setting. Now by clicking on, you can see the body, wick and border. So for the body, you can change it to, let's say I'm changing my own to white. That means my white now represent my green. Then my red, I want to change it to black. My black now represents my red. So for the wick, you can also change this to white, or you can change it to any other color for you to be able to see it very well. So for the wick, let's change it to this color. Now for this color, let's change it to black. Now I've changed this to black. For the borders, right, for the border you can also change this to white, or any color that makes sure that it is visible, that makes it visible on your screen. You want to make sure that that's the color you use, and you click on save. Now you can see that my color has now changed from white to black and that color, right? So after by changing your color, now you can also change your background color. Now you can see that this background color is white. You can change it in two places. The first place is clicking on LTC. When you change the background color, the candlestick color also changes with it. So you click on this, your after you signed up, when you click on it, you click on dark mode. So you click on yes. By clicking on dark mode, you'll be able to see now this is dark mode. Now you can see that my candlestick color has changed, and I'll be able to see how the price action and the market is currently doing here. So you can also undo it by going back or pressing Ctrl Z on your screen. You can go back to light mode. Consider I've changed this to my light mode. The other thing I want to do next is I want to teach you how to add indicators. Indicators are useful to confirm entries. So you click on this indicator. Now by clicking on this indicator, if you want to add any indicator that you want, you can add this. So let's say I want to add my simple moving average. So I'll go to my search bar. I'll search for moving average. Now this is my moving average. You can see I can add all this moving average, exponential moving average, simple moving average. So when you click on this, you have to add them to favorites. Then you click on my favorites. Then you can now click on them. So let's see, this is the simple moving average. You can see this simple moving average on our screen. You can see how it goes. So if you want to set this simple moving average, click on, you left click, or you go to this side where my cursor is. You click on settings. Now 9 moving average means the moving average takes account of the last 9 moving average price. Last 9 moving average candle. So you click on 21, anyone you want to use, not necessarily 21. Now this is it. You can see how this works now. Good. So that is how to add. So let's add other indicators. Click on indicator. Let's add RSI, right? Let's add our Bollinger Band. So this is the Bollinger Band. I've added it on my screen. If you want to remove it, you can just click on remove, and then it's gone. So if you want to write text on your screen, you click on the text. So you can write text like, okay, resistance, you can see now I've added resistance and I've placed it here. So this is the resistance. You can see how this resistance is now, right? You can see how this resistance is. So you can write this color for anything you want to do. Now other things I want to teach you guys is how to change the colors. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's the way you can actually reward us for this amazing work, right? So next thing we want to do now is you want to check ideas. Now I click on this side of my screen, you right click. Now ideas are what other traders feels that it is going to happen in the space. So you can also chat with other traders here. You can chat, you can check ideas, what they think the market will do, technical analysts, good ones, what they feel the market will do. Then all these things, after doing all these things, you want to save this, right? So you click on, you go back, you click on this save. You can see this save, right? So you can, if you click on auto save, everything auto saves itself. Sharing, so you click on this candlestick, and then this is saved. So if you reload it, you'll still have your, let's reload this. When we reload this, you still have our everything written on our screen. So please don't forget that the only way you can actually repay us for doing this is by liking this video and following us. Now I can say that this is back. So thank you so much guys for watching this. So now that you have finished watching this video, I'm very sure that you are now a professional in using Tradingview. Yes, Tradingview eventually skyrocket your trading career, and you don't want to miss this. So please subscribe to this channel if you watch these videos to the end. And I have one offer for you. If you want to learn more and make money with crypto, there's a crypto exchange that makes that possible for you, and that is Bybit. And of course, you can sign up with my Bybit link in my bio. You'll see it in the description below of this video too. Yes, when you sign up, then you can now join my signal room for more signals and crypto lessons. You are welcome. Follow for more videos like this.